Now this is going to be a very compact video highlighting the best sellers from Chanel and perfumes I feel will make the best gifts for your friends and loved ones. Now I love Chanel gifts, I love their packaging, I love anything Chanel, and I think receiving a gift from Chanel is just always so special. Now one of the items I have in here is an exclusive. It's a limited edition, so you cannot find this anywhere. The only way to get this item is through a gift. So I'm going to share it and unbox it with you. And then just look at the detail in the wrapping. I love the wrapping paper, and they have a gold bow, and if you look, they have the charms all over the gift as well. Makes it extra special, really pretty. The person receiving can use those little charms, maybe tie it to a necklace or something. It's just really pretty and cute. Got the ribbon here, which is a gold and white, and then you've got the wrapping paper in pure white there with the double CC. And yeah, let's open this. And here it is. So the box is exactly the same as the Coco Mademoiselle packaging. And then you just open up the box here to reveal what's inside. Now this is what makes this gift so special. It's the fact that for the first time, Chanel, they have packaged a body oil in an actual glass jar. This oil looks exactly like the perfume bottle, which is really nice, and especially if you're gifting as well, this is quite unique. And you can't even buy this on its own. This comes only as a gift set, so if you wanted to stand out and do something very different for someone who loves Coco Mademoiselle, I would go out and buy something like this because it's just so unique and beautiful. You can really feel the consistency in this oil. It's much heavier, so this is great for the winter. This oil you can just spray on, and it's really light, and it smells so good, so nice. So, and then the second part to this gift, you just have the 50 ml bottle of the original Coco Mademoiselle or the Parfum, and that comes in a really nice travel size. I love the size of this bottle. It's just the perfect size for a gift. I think 50 ml is great. The two come together and they look so nice as a complete set. So that's really nice to add to your collection. Now, if you were thinking of gifting Coco Mademoiselle, but you wanted something a little bit more unique and something that no one is really wearing, then I would go for the intense version. You still have the rose in here. There's no mimosa, there's no more ylang, but you have orange notes in here still. There's patchouli, tonka bean, and labdanum in this fragrance. So it does make this perfume quite rich, heavy, a little bit spicy as well. It is a little bit sweet with that tonka and vanilla. This perfume has a warming experience. It's very much like a warm orange and patchouli perfume with the florals. It's really nice. Again, I would recommend this perfume for all ages, but I think specifically maybe over 25s may appreciate this more. So if you're looking to gift someone of that age, then this might be an idea for you. But this is really nice and warm and spicy. One of my favorites by Chanel is Coco Noir. Now this smells just like Coco Mademoiselle. It opens up with citrus. You have the orange in here, but it has this heart of florals that I absolutely love. You have the rose, there's geranium in here, then there's jasmine as well. But this one is different because it does open up with the citruses, but you do have some grapefruit, so it adds this sparkling touch. But when this perfume dries down to the base, it is very deep and spicy. So you have your tonka bean in here, there's still patchouli in here. You have cloves in here that makes it spicier than the other fragrances. When you smell this, it's a spicy but fresh rose perfume with patchouli, and it's so different. I really love this one. It has this sparkling opening. You have tonka bean, you have sandalwood, so it's really nice, this version. The next gift I have is Chanel No. 5 Low. This is your citrus version of the original. Now for those who already own Chanel No. 5 and they are a fan, then I would maybe go for this to give them a different style or variation of their favorite perfume. I love this, especially for the summer, but you can wear this all year round. This is the more fresh citrus version, and it's lemons, it's limes, it's mandarin. It's still musky and soft, but it does sit on the skin really nice, and it has this powdery dry down that's so pleasant, really soft. No. 5 Low still carries the original Chanel No. 5 DNA, but in a more modern, fresh representation. and this is lovely. I do recommend this perfume. It's really pretty. It's not too strong, it's not too heavy, so I do recommend this one. If you're looking for a perfume by Chanel that's light and airy, a little bit more subtle and delicate, doesn't really have that typical Chanel DNA, it's not so strong and heavy, then I do recommend Chante's Eau Tendre. This is a fruity floral that's light and airy, dries down to musk and amber. It's ever so soft, and this opens up with some sparkling quince, and there's jasmine in the heart. This is a very soft, dainty perfume, very girly. I would pick this fragrance for someone who is very girly, they're feminine, they like a light fragrance, and it's beautiful. They might be a little bit younger as well. They could be 18 plus, then I do recommend Chante's Eau Tendre. Now the next fragrance I have to offer is a perfume that is more citrus based. It's this one here. This is Chante's Eau Fraiche. This is the Eau de Parfum version. This fragrance came out this summer and I bought it on its release date. I was so excited to try this version. Now, why I like this perfume, this is a citrus fragrance, but the citrus dries down to woods and amber. So this perfume is much more rounded. It's soft. It's a stronger version of the Chante's Eau Fraiche, and it opens up with aldehydes and lemon. It's really nice. I recommend Chante's Eau Fraiche for those who like a unisex scent as well. This could be a really nice unisex perfume. You've got the teak wood. Wow, you've got aldehydes, lemon in here, and the amber, and I really pick up that soft, it's like a powdery soft woody lemon. It's really nice, really nice. And you guys know that I'm not a fan of the original to a certain extent, whereas this version leans a little bit more unisex and more feminine for me. A lot more feminine. It's a soft powdery lemon and it's really nice, and it does sit on the skin much longer, so this is gorgeous. Gabrielle Essence is one of my favorite perfumes, also one of the perfumes I gift the most because it's one of those relatable florals. It's a light perfume based on white flowers. So you have gardenia, there's orange blossom in here, there's a touch of coconut in this one. This is a fresh, clean perfume, and I just think it's really pretty, perfect fragrance for me. I love this as an everyday perfume. And this one has a little bit of peach, there's red fruits in here. This dries down to the musk and sandalwood, so this is a really pleasant perfume. Now this one is great for all ages. I would recommend this to someone who likes a daytime fragrance, especially. I think this is great for daytime wear, but it is fresh, it is feminine, classy, it's great for the office as well. And you can dress this up if you wanted to. You could take this to the evenings. This perfume just smells so elegant, regal. It smells rich. It has that 90s style vibe. It's quite warm, it's sweet, it's peach, it's magnolia, and it just reminds me of fragrances back then. I think this is beautiful. I started wearing this when I was 18 years old because I just love the sweetness. There's vanilla in here, there's gardenia. This is a peachy perfume that's really elegant. It smells like love, romance, a wedding day. I would recommend this. On me, I get something like 6 hours, maybe 5 to 6 hours, and it's highly complimented. I wear this to many special occasions, and I think this is a beautiful perfume if you are gifting someone. This perfume is for everyone. It's beautiful. And I can really see that appeal if you like something that's sophisticated but gives you that 90s style vibe. When you're wearing a fragrance, you want something that's heavy, or you know that person loves those sort of notes, then I would go for this one as a gift. The next gift I have is Beige. Now this is a part of their exclusive line. This is incredibly elegant, one of the most prettiest fragrances by Chanel. It is powdery, it is regal, it is elegant, it is... I want to describe it in a way that I hope it makes sense to you guys. So this perfume doesn't smell complex and hard to understand, and does it have that Chanel quality, that DNA? It does to a certain degree, but I don't know if it's that obvious. But to me, this just smells like a simple perfume. It's not over the top, it's not saying too much. It's very much a relaxed, elegant perfume. Beige is Fraiche, Frangipani, Hawthorn in here as well, and some honey notes. It's delicate, it is soft, it's clean smelling. It's almost like, I would say it's definitely a clean scent, and it smells quite universal in the sense that you can wear this every single day and you can wear this to many occasions. It almost smells like laundry. It smells like freshly out of the shower, but not citrus. It just smells clean, soft, and pretty. I do recommend Chanel Beige if you had to choose any fragrance from the exclusive line. This one smells like it's quite easy to understand and it's a wearable perfume. So those are all the fragrances that I tend to gift when it comes to Chanel. Coco Mademoiselle is one of my #1 perfumes, especially if I know that they love Coco Mademoiselle. It does contain a note of patchouli, so just make sure that they love patchouli in their fragrances. Now, also when gifting, if you're not too sure what to buy for someone, you have lotions, shower gels, hair mists. I do recommend those. Another item I love to gift is the travel atomizers. I love these because in my handbag, I will have maybe a selection of at least 2 fragrances. I will normally have an atomizer, or I may have a 30ml bottle in my bag. This is Coco Mademoiselle, and it comes in this beautiful canister here. So it's a purse spray with refillable cartridges there, and I absolutely love this. And you know what I love? I love this texture. It has this really nice sheen to it as well, so that's really pretty. This is the original Chance. This is the EDT, which is the first one that came out. This perfume is a fresh, woody perfume. It opens up with lots of citruses, but you have patchouli in this fragrance and pineapple. So it has this sparkling grapefruit, pineapple, and woody accords in this perfume. Really pretty and elegant, highly complimented. So this is quite nice to gift. This is my moisturizing body cream. I do love gifting body creams as well. Sometimes you can just pop this into a bag with some lip gloss or a nail polish. That makes the perfect gift. So there's lots of options when it comes to Chanel if you don't want to focus on the fragrance and you find it very overwhelming. If you're looking for a perfume that leans a little bit more fresh and unisex, I would go for Chance. And then your everyday white floral, that is absolutely beautiful. This is one of my favorites that I like to wear in the daytime. Then I would go for Gabrielle Essence. I love Chanel perfumes. Oh my goodness, I absolutely love them. So I really hope that I helped you guys. A lot of you have been asking me for recommendations for your age group. And I've tried this before, and some of the comments were like, "You're saying I'm too old." I don't want to offend anyone. So I think I am going to, at some stage, formulate some videos that is age specific, and you can wear anything you like. And you know, I love feminine perfumes as well, and I say again, you can wear anything you like. So I am going to do that because so many guys keep asking, like, I'm 55, I'm 62, I'm 27. Like, you guys are so specific with your age and you really want me to help you. I think I'm going to do that for you guys because you guys deserve that at least. So these are my beautiful perfumes that I think make great gifts. They're just easy. Just head on to the Chanel boutique, save this video as well, and I really do hope this helps you find the perfect gift. So let me know down below if you are going to gift someone a Chanel perfume, which fragrance do you think you'll be gifting? And for more content like this, don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye.